So we are in the Chinmaya Nada Bindu Gurukula campus of Chinmaya Vishwa Vidyapeeth. This campus is situated in Chinmaya Vibhuti, which is a beautiful, picturesque, scenic place.
भारतीय हिंदुस्तानी संगीत की परंपरा जो गुरुकुल से जुड़ी हुई है, वो परंपरा हम सब जानते हैं, जहाँ पर संगीत हमें गुरुकुल में गुरु के सामने बैठकर सीखना होता है। और वो जगह जो होती है यहाँ पर है कि संगीत सीखने के लिए हमें वो वातावरण की आवश्यकता होती है, उसी के साथ अच्छे गुरु। तो ये दोनों चीज़ें जो है हमें स्कूल ऑफ कला योगा चिन्मय नाद बिंदु गुरुकुल चिन्मय विश्व विद्यापीठ के अंदर मिलती है।
We have a master's course in the streams of Bansuri, Vocal and Tabla.
It's an unique university with a Gurukul system where we stay with the students here and we share our knowledge. We teach them the Bansuri, Tabla and Vocal.
We are arranging here periodical performance for the students. We have in Hindustani music the time cycle theory. According to time cycle theory, the student will perform here.
We've recently set up a studio. So this studio also gives opportunities for students to create their performances or productions. Either they can go themselves and record something for social media, or they can get together as a group and create productions. The Nada Bindu Festival, which is a flagship event of Chinmaya Nada Bindu, is held annually, and it's a very great opportunity for students, one, to organize the event with the main team, as well as they get an opportunity to perform in front of a huge audience. During the Nada Bindu Festival, as part of the volunteering team, they get to interact with great artists who come to perform, because they are in charge of artist hospitality also. So this is an event which they also look forward to as much as we do.
We have built it up for the students, so I hope those students who will come will really enjoy and become artists of the future generation.